Sree Sakthi Engineering College is a private engineering college started in 2010 in Karamadai in Coimbatore and is run under the auspices of Sree Sakthi Charitable Trust. The institution is ISO certified by TUV NOD. The institution is chaired by Mr. N. Dharmalingam, ably supported by the correspondent Dr. S. Karthikeyan, the trustee Mr. S. Murugan, and the principal Dr. V. Vel Murugan. It has been the chairman's dream to set foot into the field of engineering education and produce engineers of world-class standards. Let us hear a few words from the chairman himself.
Sree Sakthi பொறியியல் கல்லூரி எனது கனவு. நாங்கள் கடந்த 30 வருடங்களாக தொழில்துறையில் பல சாதனைகள் புரிந்துள்ளோம். இந்த வேளையில் சொசைட்டிக்கு ஏதாவது செய்ய வேண்டும் என்று நாங்கள் ஆசைப்பட்டோம். நாங்கள் 2010ஆம் ஆண்டு இந்த கல்லூரியை தொடங்கினோம். இந்த பகுதியிலும் சுற்றுவட்டாரத்தில் உள்ள கிராமத்து மாணவர்களுக்கும் உலகத்தரம் வாய்ந்த கட்டமைப்புடன் இந்த கல்லூரியை உருவாக்கியுள்ளோம். இந்த கல்லூரியை சேர்ந்த மாணவர்கள் எல்லா துறையிலும் சிறந்து விளங்குவார்கள் என்பதில் எந்த ஐயமும் இல்லை.
The college has been built in a vast area of 15 acres of land in a lush green surrounding. State-of-the-art buildings spread over 225,000 square feet and huge playgrounds with ample space for breathing fresh and unpolluted air adorns the college premises. The institution plans to build another 1 lakh square feet dedicated to research and development. Well-qualified and experienced faculty head various departments and they are committed to bring out the best in their wards. The promoters have 3 decades of experience in foundry and engineering services. The institution has the backing of Sree Sakthi Equipments Company and SSEC Foundry Equipment Private Limited, pioneers in foundry, related equipments and services that provides in-plant training to the students of Sree Sakthi Engineering College while they are studying their courses and is truly a boon to the students. The institution extends fee concessions to deserving candidates and waives fee totally for students having secured 100% marks. Right from the first semester, importance is given to skill development, personality development, communication skills, spoken English and phonetics. SSEC utilizes its infrastructure facilities to equip its wards in the most modern way and at the same time instilling traditional values and character, thereby molding them to be responsible citizens of tomorrow. Courses offered: BE Civil Engineering, BE Computer Science and Engineering, BE Electronics and Communication Engineering, BE Electrical and Electronics Engineering, BE Mechanical Engineering, ME VLSI Design. Engineering Physics. The objective of this department is to equip students with the knowledge and skills needed to understand, improve and follow physics laws to master the science and produce pioneers in the field of physics. Engineering Chemistry. Engineering chemistry is designed to strengthen the fundamentals of chemistry and then build an interface of theoretical concepts with their industrial and engineering applications. The department aims to impart in-depth knowledge of the subject and highlight the role of chemistry in the field of engineering. Communication Lab. The lab has an array of state-of-the-art computer systems allotted for each and every student. Students are given hands-on training and are taught various methods of communication technology to master the subject. Experienced faculty guide and assist students so that they get a thorough and in-depth knowledge in this specialized field. Civil engineering. A country's progress in terms of its economy solely depends on the level of development in its infrastructure. Infrastructure of the country is directly proportional to the facilities accorded by the government to the people in terms of roads, power, lighting, educational opportunities, which also determine the standard of living of the population at large. It is here where the infrastructure solely depends on the country's engineers graduating from various engineering institutions. The branch of civil engineering, therefore, is a core course of study in SSEC. The institution has well-qualified faculty manning this department. The department is equipped with high-tech laboratories for teaching and training the students on the practical aspects of this branch of study. Computer Science and Engineering. The department imparts world-class training and motivates students to develop an aptitude for research. The faculty imparts state-of-the-art computing facilities to all the students of the department. It also promotes active industry-institute collaboration by identifying areas of interest and taking part in sponsored research projects and consultancy services. Faculty members and students work on areas such as networks, database, theoretical computer science, multimedia, image processing, software engineering and data mining. Electronics and Communication Engineering. The department has state-of-the-art labs and world-class equipments for students to learn the nuances of this specialized area of interest. During the first year, the course is dedicated to teach students about basic engineering techniques such as engineering mathematics, physics, chemistry and engineering drawing, to name a few. From the second year of studies, students begin learning about core electronics and communication engineering subjects like digital electronics and logic design, fundamentals of communication engineering, electronic circuits, signals and systems, power electronics, applied electromagnetic theory, integrated circuits, VLSI, control systems and computer architecture. This course gives enormous job opportunities in electronics and software companies. Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Electrical and electronics engineering is an exciting and dynamic field. Students are trained to be future electrical engineers responsible for the generation, transfer and conversion of electrical power. Students are also taught about the transfer of information using radio waves, the design of electronic circuits, the design of computer systems and the development of control systems such as aircraft autopilots. Students are imparted training on the study and design of electrical transmission systems, electrical machines and variable speed drives, high-power electronic converters and high-voltage engineering. The department keenly motivates students to learn these subjects as power generation from renewable resources such as wind and sun and electrical transport such as battery electrical vehicles are of growing importance in the electrical engineering field and also in postgraduate studies. Mechanical Engineering. The faculty members of this prestigious department impart knowledge on the design, manufacture, installation and operation of engines and machines and with manufacturing processes. The department motivates students to learn about forces and motion. The first is the understanding of and dealing with the basis of mechanical science. These include dynamics concerning the relation between forces and motion, such as in vibration, automatic control, thermodynamics, dealing with the relations among the various forms of heat, energy and power, fluid flow, heat transfer, lubrication and properties of materials. Students are taught about the sequence of research, design and development. This function attempts to bring about the changes necessary to meet present and future needs. Such work requires a clear understanding of mechanical science, thereby making students imbibe the ability to analyze a complex system into its basic factors and the originality to synthesize and invent. Library. Sree Sakthi has a well laid out and spacious digital library that facilitates both staff and students to further their knowledge and information on current trends both within the country and abroad. The library presents a quiet and calm atmosphere. Absolute silence is maintained by one and all in the library. Computer systems are available and Wi-Fi connectivity helps students to surf the net for valuable information and reference materials. The library has numerous volumes of books spread over a variety of titles. Moreover, the library has journals, both national and international, put together. Apart from these, it houses back volumes and project reports required for reference and CDs for audio and video references. Smart classrooms. Technology has become the order of the day, and it has gradually made its way to the classrooms as well. New age students are forced to learn through computers, and the internet is used by one and all to access information. It has become a vast storehouse of knowledge and information. Educational institutions have adapted to the method of teaching through digital audio and video equipments, which makes it all the more easier for students to learn various subjects. Smart classrooms also assist students in their research activities, thereby kindling their latent talents to come out with newer theories and inventions. The institution has tied up with foreign universities in the USA, UK, Australia, Netherlands, China and Japan for educational research programs, and plans are on the anvil to start student exchange programs from the next year, facilitating students to study abroad in the respective countries. Let us now listen to a few words from the correspondent about the institution.
Sree Sakthi Engineering College has been started by the Sree Sakthi Charitable Trust in the year of 2009. We have recruited all the staff members with a rich experience in their respective field. We have a doctorate in all the fields in our department, and the new staff, those who are having a master degree, have been encouraged to do the PhDs in their respective field. In the coming years, our aim is to have all the staff members to have a PhDs. We are spending a lot of our time on the research for the benefit of the students as well as for the staff members. We will be constructing another 1 lakh square feet area, especially for the research and development activities. Our placement cell is very strong because of the background of Sree Sakthi Equipments Company, which is well known in India as well as abroad.
Recently, an expert delegation team of educationists from China had visited Sree Sakthi Engineering College to examine the facilities offered, and the team was highly impressed by the world-class infrastructure at Sree Sakthi. The principal of Sree Sakthi and the trustee have to say about the institution as follows.
This institution is the brainchild of our chairman Sri N. Dharmalingam and our correspondent Dr. S. Karthikeyan, who were in the field of industry for about 3 decades. After their successful existence in the industrial arena, they have spread their wings in the education field. The result is this institution, Sree Sakthi Engineering College, and it is approved by the AICT New Delhi and affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. From the inception, this institution is excelling in all directions, including academic, co and extracurricular activities, and also the main motto of our institution is creating opportunities for youngsters so that they will be industry-ready engineers while passing out from this institution.
Placement and Training Cell. A separate training and placement cell has been established to help final year students get appropriate placement in reputed companies in India as well as abroad. Campus interviews are conducted and deserving students get placement, which assures them a bright future for careers. The cell also actively takes part in arranging seminars and symposiums chaired by eminent scholars and industry giants, so that these help students learn about the latest developments taking place in the industry, which has a practical overview of what they learn in classrooms. The cell helps students to prepare themselves for facing the world of opportunities out there. The training cell is also headed by the chairperson, who is supported and guided by industry experts and technologically sound specialists who advise students as to what line of career they ought to choose based on their individual knowledge acquired during the course of their study.
Hi, I am Jojo CJ from final year ECU. I would like to introduce about our placement cell in our college. We have many foreign tie-ups since the foreign companies directly come and recruit us. We have many industrial exposure due to the company, Sree Sakthi Equipments Company. They have survived the industry for more than 35 years. So we have a good industrial exposure. So we don't require any experience which is to be provided into the straight campus which are recruited in here.
Hi, I am Sindhu. I am from CSE department. Now I am doing my final year. Her college is Sree Sakthi Engineering College. We have a company inside our campus, mechanical company. It's a Sree Sakthi Equipmental company. We have knowledge in theoretical, and we are implementing those theoretical concepts in our practical in our Sree Sakthi Equipmental company.
Industry Connect. SSCC has set up an exclusive Industry Connect platform that provides